Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Hopefully you will find and feel fresh. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how can you use the rotational plane. Actually in plane we have to specify the distance in between the two planes, but in rotational plane you have to specify the angle at that you wanted to set up the true files. So come to rotational plane, come to sections and define the plane and that you wanted to make the first profile. And what I'm going to do is actually I have to draw a circle and I have to divide that in 4 equal points, and at the same time I have to draw a center line about I want to rotate this line, okay. And just what I'm going to do just to in section 2, sorry, in section 1 and section 2, what I'm going to do is actually you have to specify the angle at 45. I wanted to sketch and just make sure sketch preview is on, okay. And this time what I wanted to make sure you have to draw a circle, and this time I will assign the dimension like this. What I'm going to keep is, and this I wanted to keep at 200 and just click OK. So we have seen that I have what I did it actually I have a sweep or I have connected these two files with each other at an angle of 45, and you can decrease the angle, like either you can drag it from here and you can specify it directly from here as well. And just what you can keep it as a sheet metal, like you can see, and either you can keep it as solid by keeping it the wall thickness, like from here you can define 12, okay. So this is how you can use the sweep rotational plane and creo parametry, okay. So hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching my old videos on my YouTube channel EW. Thanks.